COVID plus back to school has equaled a chaotic combination across the country, disrupting the workflow for students, staff, and parents.
I would have to say that this reopening is actually even more dangerous than the reopening we had last year.
Recent data shows more than 2,000 in-person school closures to date in 39 states. In Philadelphia, COVID outbreaks shut down at least 4 schools since opening up in recent weeks. More than 100,000 South Carolina students have missed in-person learning due to the virus. And in New York, PS 79 is the first public school in the nation's largest school district to close starting Monday due to possible widespread exposure. With more than a year's worth of classroom time lost during the pandemic, some school districts are turning to testing to keep in-person learning. The strategy is being applied in Utah, where the test to stay protocol is triggered when schools hit a certain threshold for outbreaks. Administrators still have the option to go remote, but mass testing allows students who are negative and asymptomatic to return to class. Those who choose not to get tested would stay home. Lindsay Harris has 4 kids enrolled in Utah schools. 3 are under 12 years old.
If this program wasn't in effect, how disruptive do you think the school year would be for you right now?
It could be all over the place. In our community, it is the best way for us to keep them as safe as possible.
A study published in the Lancet Medical Journal suggests this approach is a safe alternative to home isolation. But according to the New York Times, the CDC does not recommend or endorse a test to stay program at this time. A new school year with a big learning curve as COVID continues to complicate lives.
And Kathy joins us live from New York. So is frequent testing catching on to keep kids in school this year?
Well, Kate, it certainly is picking up all across the country, from California to Illinois to Massachusetts. And while the implementation varies, the goal is the same: to keep kids in the classroom this year.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.